one of my favorite metacognition strategies, the KWL comprehension strategy. I like that one because it helps me activate my students' prior knowledge about a topic, and it also helps them generate questions about the topic. The KWL chart, normally I'll just do it on chart paper for my classroom so I can move it around if I need to. I'll write the topic here, and since yesterday was the first day of spring, and we didn't have school yesterday, so today's actually Tuesday, but we're starting our topic on a Tuesday. So we have spring, and then we have our K, what I know. So they're gonna, as they tell me, I'll write they're like a quick little phrase or like a couple of the words of what they know about the topic. So mostly today, what they know about spring: it rains a little bit more, flowers grow, trees grow, it rains, the sun's out, you see rainbows, birds hatch. So we got quite a few things there that they know about spring. So we've introduced the topic, and now I've wrote it down, and then I'm going to use what they know to try to help them or facilitate what they want to learn. I also put wonder up here because our PLCs have really guided us to wanting to use that word wonder. My wondering. What do you wonder about that topic? So it sounded weird at first to me, but I've kind of used to it. So wonder what'll happen. So it's more guiding them more into looking at why things are happening. So what they wonder, and then what they learned. So what they wonder, what hatches in spring, and so they want to know more about the eggs. So I'm gonna have to pull more text on that because I don't really have a lot of text on that, so I'll be hitting the library. How flowers grow, which is what I have out of our science book today, and types of flowers, and spring weather. So I have those questions that we're going to try to answer before the end of the week. Sometimes it carries over, and that's okay. What we've learned, Carson told me after we read our science text that the flowers have seeds, they need water. Eden talked about how the sun is important for them to make food. What else did they say? Mostly air, water, soil, and the sun. So got the questions, and that pretty much covered our science text today. So I like the KWL charts because it does help my students become, helps my students become thinkers. And it also kind of helps me check their comprehension after I've read. I can tell most of my students are able to answer, what do flowers need to grow? So if they were all answering it, I'm like, okay, we understood the text today. So anyways, I hope everybody has a happy spring. Bye, guys.